Okay everyone, welcome back. This is episode 3. When we left off, I was struggling through the recursions, or this level here. And we're gonna go back, no, we're into this one actually. And we're gonna go back and try and see if we can figure this out. I was unable to figure it out. I went back and watched the video again. Let me just turn the volume down a little, it's a little loud in my ears. I went back and watched my recording of it, and I was trying to think if I could cut across here without even using the teleporter, which would be a cool trick. But I do not believe that to be possible. So, you guys are quite familiar with this level by now. So we're going to hop down. And you know what? I'm going to show you every single thing. I decided we're not going to cut anything. I'm not just going to show you the solution. If this takes me, 2 hours to figure out, it's going online. That's just the way it's going to be. That's the way it's going to be. I might not finish the game, but I'm going to finish this level. Okay. So we gotta put F1 in here because there's no point in putting F2 or any of the other ones. So that is for sure correct. Now there's only a finite number of possibilities for the rest of these, irregardless of the puzzle. So if we do our first one, this is function 1, as jump down. I think that's the logical thing to do, is it not? I also had another idea which I want to try. Oh, you can just click on these, by the way, and it'll put them in order. Like that. So you don't have to drag them, so that's nice. So, jump down 3 times. Okay, now he's not doing it anymore, though. Now he might, though. And then put the light on. Or... no, we want... see, this, I'm basically doing the same thing as last time. So he's going to jump down 3 times. Call function 2. Function 2 is going to run the light switch operation. And last time I had him do a turn, this way I think it was. And then I had him run F1. But what I think I want him to do is actually do something like this, maybe. I just want to see what happens here. No. Shoot. That one didn't work, obviously. You know what we could... well, if he can jump down there, why can't he jump up under the blue one? I still want to try that. I still want to try and do this the cheat way. Let's clear commands and try this again here. Okay, function 1. He's going to do a turn this way. I think. Is that right? No, that's wrong. This way. Good. Then he's going to jump down there. I don't think there's any way to program this tech really, though, because he would have to do repeated walks. It is interesting that they give me access to this walk function, which I don't think I actually need. When do I ever need a walk function in this game? If I was to use the teleporters, I just jump. There's no actual walk spaces. I don't know. So if he was to turn right here and jump down, right, and then if he was to walk and then go to function 2, which function 2 would enable him to do a walk. Still isn't right. No, it's definitely not right. Poor guy is desperately confused right now. There has to be a way to do this. Okay, clear console. Let's try this again. So if he hops down 3 times, so embarrassed that I can't do this. We can't have him activate the light here, though, because then there's nothing for else for him to do. Oh, whoops, I had that function one there. There's... Okay, because if he... We can't have him do the light there, though, because he has to call function 2, which gives us access to these next 4. It's the only way to do this. Which basically puts us into an infinite loop. Well, not an infinite loop. Depends how we close this one. It would be an infinite loop. If this is closed with an F1. So now he can perform his jump, which is what we want him to do. What if we get him to turn right here? Dude, this could be it, actually. Is that the turn we want him to make? No, I think we want him to do... No, we do want him to turn this way, I think. Hold on. Okay, no, he has to go F2 first. Let's turn him... Ah, oh, shoot. I almost thought I had it there. I really almost thought I did. Why do I keep turning him the wrong way? Is that the right way? Yeah, see, that's kind of what I was thinking, but I was thinking if I turn him before... This is a toughie. So now we need to jump 3 more times. Okay, so that would make it sense for us to call function 1 again. Because he would perform those, he would turn himself again. Which I don't think we even want. We don't want him to turn there, though. I'm back to the same error I had before now. Which I'm missing a light. Okay, let's try this again and watch and see if I can figure out what's going on here. What if we throw another light bulb in here? Did I try this? I may have already tried this one. No, so it just doesn't work at all. Now he's desperately confused, this poor lad. Okay, another alternative we could do is we could try and skip this block and just do this one. How would that work? We jump down, you have to jump down 3 and then tell him to jump down another one. Okay, and then turn himself. This would lose our activation though. I'm definitely not doing this the right way. There needs to be, these two functions are too similar. One of them needs to be a jumping function, the other one needs to be a light activation function. I really don't know. This is really tricking me out here. Oh, jeez. Obviously, I don't even know what I'm doing right now. Okay. I wonder if I'm overthinking this. He jumps out 3 times. Function 2, what he's going to want to do is he's going to want to... Okay, if I break this down, for this one here, and this one here, we do not want to turn. So these are the same functions. These ones here are function 2s. For those ones, we need him to activate the light bulb though still. Activate the light bulb. Turn. not gonna do anything though. I don't think that does make a difference if you were to switch. If you were to call this, does that work? I don't think that actually works. I think what happens if we do this is it runs function 1, function 1 goes to function... Oh no, obviously that's not right, that should be called function 2. It runs function 1, he goes to function 2 runs, it runs to function 1, and then it would just keep on, it would never make it to function 2 here. So clearly we need something like that, maybe. No, we never actually called function 1, okay. Function 2, the turn was the wrong way. Of course it was. Oh my goodness, come on Matt, what are you doing? You turned the guy the wrong way. So now he turns, he jumps, he jumps, he jumps, no, he jumps off the edge though. Okay. Okay, let's watch that again. He jumps 3 times, goes into third. Okay, I need to slow this down. He jumps 1, he jumps 2, he jumps 3, he goes into F2, he activates the light, he turns, he jumps, he jumps, he jumps. Problem is we've got 4 jumps in a row right there, and he only needs to do 3. So if we were to get rid of one of these, have him activate his light right there, which would just be a filler. No, that doesn't work because we've got to get him down 3 steps in the first one. He's got to go 3 times. There's no other way. That's got to be the first one. He's got to go the 3 steps to get to there. This spot is for sure F2 because you have to call F2 to use up these next 4 because there's no way you can do this with only 4 functions, or 5 if you include the first one there. So then the next thing he needs to do when he gets down there is either turn or activate the light. It is required that he turns at some point during this process. No doubt about that. He has to turn. And once he turns, he has to activate the light switch, run F1, see, I'm into the same problem I had before though. I'm right back to where I started and I can't solve this. He's gonna get up there, he's gonna perform his jump perfectly. But we don't want him to do this. Wait a second. Oh, it's not gonna work either though. Crap, that didn't work. That didn't work. Okay, that was kind of the right idea though. Because that second time we don't want him to turn. The second time we wanted to, whoopsies. Crap. We want him was this a jump? I can't remember now. I don't think it was a jump. That jump is totally unnecessary, yeah. See, he has to turn though. This is My biggest dilemma is that he has to be able to turn. It's the only way. What did I have in here before? I had it like this, eh? Okay, what if we got him... Oh, okay, you know what? It might actually be this. I would be embarrassed if this is it. Oh, no, it's not. No, no, he's stuck doing that, yeah. Crap, I need him to get out of this F2 thing here. It's definitely a loop, there's no doubt about that. I'm not sure what this is for. That's nothing, eh? So he's gonna jump down 3 times. I've said these words like 1,000 times now, and I cannot solve this. This is way harder than Portal. Makes Portal look like preschoolers work. Jump down 3 times, trigger F2. See, I don't think there's no difference between him turning now, like this is irrelevant. These two, the positioning of those two. It doesn't matter. We figured that out last in episode 1 or 2. See, the problem is we don't want him to turn when he gets to this one. How do we do that? Oh no, how do... Oops, just turn the music off. I would love to stop infinite loops right now. Okay. I'm still not sure why they gave us this option. I really don't know about this, guys. I think I'm gonna have to go watch a YouTube video on this. It's the only way. It is the only way, boys. Let's just kill the music. I am absolutely 100% stuck. Beyond belief. Beyond belief. Basics and recursions. Let's just... I know your monitor thing's not in the right spot, but we're going to skip to the video that I want here. And... nope. I don't actually want the volume on for this. Thank you, Tasselfoot, for giving me the answers here. No, I don't. It's not any of these. Where is this one? Here it is. Yeah, this is it here. Okay, so here he finishes up this one. Oh, okay, now what does he do in this one? Okay, yeah, he's got the same setup. He calls function 1. We did that. Right? I don't want this. I want to see this here. So we've got function 1 in there. We got these 3. Yeah, I think we're almost there. We just don't quite have it. So then he's going to call a turn right there. Wait, he put function 2 in there? How in the world did he do that? Function 2. What? So you put function. Oh, what the heck is this? How can he do that? F2. What's he going to put in F2 then? His jumps. It has to be his jumps. Oh, are you kidding me? So he's going to jump 3 times, activate the switch. No way! Wait. So how does this work? So for the first one, he runs F2, and then he turns, and then he sends F2, and then he runs F1 again, which basically means he's running F2. How does he perform this turn right here? I'm so confused at how he did this. I don't understand this yet. I really don't. So he calls F1. Yeah. F2. Turn. F1, F2, F1. So in F2 he's going to put 3 jumps and a light. 3 jumps and a light. Okay. Oh man, this is so smart. Then he's got that activates the turn. Now, when he does this next one here, that's going to put him into this F2 function, which is the same thing, no turn, yeah. That's absolute wizardry is all that is. That is unbelievable. Wow. Wow, I don't even know what to say about that. That is craziness. I think that... Oh, darn it, I pressed the wrong button again. I don't even know what to say about that. I'm absolutely... Okay, so we were kind of close with this first one. I mean, we got it like... I don't want to... I'm not sure if I want to say half right, but... somewhat right. So he's got F2 in here. He's got a turn. I keep on getting my turns backwards. For some reason it looks backwards to me. Yeah, I think that's wrong. I really don't like these arrows. And then he's got F2 again. And he's got F1. I think that this might be my last level of this game. Clearly I'm not cut out to play this game. I'm desperately stuck and have no idea what I'm doing. My oh my. This absolutely baffles me. Beyond repair. F1 calls F2 calls F1. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know guys. I feel like stopping the episode right here because I got a nice sleep. And it's not even late at night and I can't figure this out. I thought I'd be able to solve it and I couldn't. What the heck is this? Oh man. Oh man. Okay. Okay, let's focus here. So we've got to hit all of the... Wait, no we don't. Let's just experiment here for a sec. So, okay, hold on. What happens if we do this shabobs here? Hold on, let's do that again. See, we don't actually need to... We don't need to trigger these lights. We just need to get to the corners. So... we can ignore the whole middle. All we have to do is go along the outside, which is symmetrical. Oh, except for that one's not quite symmetrical. That's terrible. So according to my calculations, based on what we saw from the last episode, we're going to want to do an F2 F1 type deal. but we're also going to have turns in here. This is going to be a long code. And what we're going to want down here is some jump functions. Jump, 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 jump. We're going to want 6 jumps. Come on, why are you not going in there properly? Let's go. 6 jump functions, a light activation, and a turn. Oh man, this could be perfect right here. And a turn this way. We can do this. We can do this. I guarantee it. So we need to run F2. Let's try this here and see what happens. It's gonna do. Oh no, we have to have some walks in there, eh? Darn it! Darn it! We're gonna have some more too. We're gonna have to have a walk here and a walk here. I don't know why I put so many jumps in there. He's gonna walk. He's gonna jump. He's gonna walk. He's gonna jump. He's gonna walk. Darn, he needs to walk one more. Okay, how about that? That looks pretty close. We're pretty close here. He's gonna jump. He's gonna walk. He's gonna jump. He's gonna walk twice. He's gonna turn. He's gonna do his light. Oh, but not quite right. Not quite right. Ah! Haha. Okay, so we got one of them done though. I'm feeling okay about this so far. I think the problem with this whole puzzle solving is it's like a maze, and you kind of go down like, you know when you get those mazes and you get your pencil and you start drawing a line. The hardest thing about these puzzles is when you start drawing your line and you start trying to work your way into the middle from like the exit to the end to the middle or whatever, from one side of the puzzle maze to the other, is with these you start putting in these pieces here, and all of a sudden you're working yourself down a line, and it's very hard for yourself to go back, you know, halfway and fix it, or go all the way back to the start and fix it, and come at this from a completely different angle. And that's what I just couldn't do. Maybe that's a problem with my brain and my thought process, but this is really giving me a run for my money here. And I appreciate this. I appreciate a game like this. So, we have a good idea of what we're going to do here. We're going to jump, we're going to walk, we're going to jump, we're going to walk, we're going to jump, we're going to walk, we're going to walk, we're going to turn. Okay, so we can get to that first objective. Now the issue becomes another alternative would be to go the other way. Is that right? Does that work? Should we go left first? I don't know. I feel like that looks tricky. But we could, maybe. So, we hop down there. We need to get to that corner, eh? Okay, I think we're doing okay here, though. Obviously, that light bulb at the start doesn't really make a whole lot of sense, but okay, let's try this again here. I keep on stopping and starting it, I know. So this whole first section is just good, right? See, that's the thing I didn't get from the last time, is that when you finish your function 2, it'll actually go back and I guess we had this is a non-repeat. Okay, this is a non-infinite loop is the thing. That's the difference. That's the big difference, yeah. We don't actually need that in there first. We need this in here first. It doesn't actually need to activate that light. Just activate it there. He needs to walk 1. See, he doesn't need to jump. He doesn't need to jump there at all. So we're going to account for that by adding another walk in there, and then he'll get to the right jump spot. Yeah, I got to the right jump spot. Holy cow. Holy cow, are we there? Did we do it? We did it! We did it! It was kind of broken, but we did it! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! I'm so excited! I'm so excited! I'm so excited! Oh my goodness! Oh! Oh wow! Oh wow! I feel like I'm playing Portal again. When you sit there and you stare at a Portal puzzle for 40 minutes and then you're like, yes, I got it! I'm the smartest person in the world! Oh my goodness! Oh. Okay. Now you're getting it. Click to continue. We're 31 minutes in this episode. It's going to be a doozy this episode. I'm committed to it. This might actually be the last episode in this Recursions thing. Actually, let's go check it out. Let's go see what we're at in this. It is. Isn't this music so awesome? So we'll finish up Recursions here. Recursions. And we'll have... Man, this is so much fun.